Today I'll be showing you how to set up a service suspend for either a service user / client. To access this, we simply need to go to our planning screen. So planning, visit and planning, which will take us through to our planning screen. To access the service suspend option, we need to first drill into a client or service user's record. We can use this by pressing the arrow to the right of their name within the planning screen. This will pull up the core of the information of the client / service user. Working our way through here onto the quick links on the right hand side, we've now got the service suspend. This can also be accessed drilling into a service user's record, so it doesn't have to be accessed through the planning screen. However, it's quite useful to be able to access it in this screen, just because you can kind of see their shifts and types of care that they actually require on set days. So moving into service suspend, to add a new record here, we simply press the plus button on the right hand side of the screen, which then brings up our service suspend area. The start date will be today, and the time will be from 9 o'clock in the morning. The end date and time will be left open-ended unless we actually know the date and time in which the service suspend is going to end. For the example today, I'm going to use a hospital. So because they're in hospital at this point in time, we don't actually know when they're going to leave, so this is why we're going to keep the dates and time open-ended until we know, and then we can come back into this record and populate these fields as required. So in our notes box here, this is essentially just going to be some information that we can place against the service suspend for this hospital visit here. So this could be as detailed as you like. It can even be extended at the bottom right hand corner of the notes box. We can extend this or reduce it in size accordingly. The feature in the middle is merely a spell check, so this is spell checking anything that's within our notes feature here. And to save the service suspend, we simply want to press the floppy disk button here, which will save our service suspend. And I will go back into our planning screen to show you this service suspend starting at 9 o'clock on the 26th of February. Closing this down, going to refresh our planning screen, and now you can notice at the top we've actually got the service suspend being applied to Ollie Catchpole's record in the planning screen by a red bar across there. You can also notice that it has cancelled each of his types of care within the planning screen automatically, as this is types of care which would be delivered during the time he's actually unavailable. So you can't deliver care to someone that's in hospital, so they've already been cancelled for you. That is how to set up a service suspend. I do hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you.